Earlier this week, embattled Toronto Mayor Rob Ford is now back to work after 2 months in rehab. And in a new interview with the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation, Ford is making some surprising admissions about his personal drug use. NBC's Katie Tur has the story.
Rob Ford is back.
I had become my own worst enemy.
Ford, the troubled mayor of Canada's largest city, returned from extensive rehab, now admitting for the first time that it was him holding the pipe and smoking crack in those infamous images.
Can you talk about what's going on in this picture? Was this the catalyst that sent you to rehab?
That's why I went to rehab. I've had a disease for a number of years, and I was ruining my life.
And what was happening?
I was smoking crack.
The embattled mayor's troubles began just over a year ago. He was seen ranting about his detractors in one cell phone video and was reported to be smoking crack in another. Ford sought help 2 months ago, not long after telling Matt that he only used crack when drunk.
The best excuse I heard you give for using that crack cocaine was I was in a drunken stupor. And I'm wondering, is that supposed to make anybody feel better?
No, not at all. I can't even barely remember it. I was very, very inebriated.
In the CBC interview, Ford said he's struggled with addiction issues since taking public office in 2000.
I was definitely under the influence of alcohol.
While you were in the office, yeah? Drinking here?
Yes, but there was no drug use here.
When asked, Ford also admitted that during his personal time, his drug abuse was not limited to just crack.
So marijuana, heroin, crack, alcohol, the gamut?
You name it, pretty well covered it, and I was in denial.
Ford said he is still running for re-election in the fall and maintains he will win. For today, Katie Tur, NBC News, New York.
I guess admitting that you have a problem is the first step toward really recovering, so it's nice to hear that he's actually speaking honestly and openly about the problem.